Let me know. Officer Wilson.
Good morning.
How are you?
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding.
Good morning.
While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps except for religious purpose, no hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session.
Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. I do have everyone's order. I just want to name two other people, and that would be Clarissa. Can you unmute yourself? Good morning to you.
Yes.
What is your full name, ma'am?
Clarissa Lewis.
Clarissa Lewis. Good morning to you, Ms. Lewis.
Good morning.
And Jaitton L.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. Start your camera, please, and state your name.
My name Jaitton Loveberry.
Loveberry?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And I had a person I just let in the room.
Jarrell Winter. Jarrell Winter.
I have Mr. Winter. Good morning to you. Mark Verena. Mark Verena. Can you start your camera and state your name, please? I'm sending you. Verena, start your camera and state your name, please. If you can't do that, I'm gonna put you out.
What was the name again? Did you say Graham?
No, Mark Verena.
Okay.
Mark Verena, last time I'm gonna ask you, unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please. All right. Let's keep going. Everybody, please mute your devices unless I call your name too, please. Mr. Owney, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Christin Owney.
Yes.
Case numbers SP 104-249, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 129-04221. SP 1744-293, counts 1, 2, and 3. And 204810-281. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Owney.
Christin Owney.
All right. Good morning to you. There's date and time. He's got warrants out, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor. For purposes of arraignment, we'd stand mute. We'd ask the court to set aside the warrant.
All right. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. You have your ink pen ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Aside from the 3 matters that are on the docket, we're going to treat it like a one-stop shop, Mr. Owney, to get all this stuff cleared up. Is a driver's license never acquired?
No, sorry.
And no insurance misdemeanor? and the driving while license never acquired. Mr. Owney owes a couple of civil infractions, one of which is 288 old no insurance proof. Mr. Owney, Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
And you're under that amount of due on the no insurance proof?
288.
Thank you.
All right, we'll pass the matter. Ryan Long. This is the city of Detroit versus Ryan Long, case number SP 1450844, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 150925551, SP 1594188, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1608948, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1616374, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1616371, SP 1640930. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Long. Mr. Long, can you state your name, sir?
Oh, he's in the running right now.
Is that Ryan Long, sir?
It's Ryan Long. Yeah, Ryan Long, can you state your name for the record?
Ryan Devon Long.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, Mr. Long. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with need you to turn your camera on, Mr. Long. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Zaranick. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, join the room. Let us know what you want to do. Come on. Let's pass the matter. Goosby.
Sir.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Don Rico. Goosby, case number SP 1098499, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 119470661. SP 1194706, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 125593661. SP 1255938, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1255948, SP 1475027, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1585275, counts 1 and counts 2. All right, hold on. Only hold on. SP 1692919, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1743857, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Don Rico Goosby.
Mr. Goosby, good morning. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Rico Goosby.
You too.
All right. I counted 19 cases into the record, Miss. I believe the last, well, let's see. One of them is a defective brake lights that's not on the docket. The other one is a defective equipment that's not on the docket. And I don't see where the other one is. Give Mr. Goosby an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Goosby, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? All right. Put you in a breakout room, Miss. Oh, Mr. Goosby does owe at least $288 no insurance proof. He owes a lot of other civil infractions, but that 288 is per diem. All right, Mr. Goosby, speak to Ms. Soroki and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? All right. One room, please. I don't know. Keith Griffin, one. I don't see Arnie. Keith London, you have to mute yourself, please.
Keith Griffin.
No, London.
Hello? Hello, was it Keith Griffin?
I know, I haven't called you yet.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, yeah.
Kenneth London, I'm sorry, that's Kenneth London.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
You're making a lot of noise. I muted you. We hear you in the background.
Okay.
Let's I think Mr. Griffin, let's call the city of Detroit versus Keith Javon Griffin, case number SP 163-63431, SP 165-37041. Mr. Griffin, state your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Keith Javon Griffin.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. You were supposed to do some, you were supposed to pay, you never paid.
Yes, Your Honor. I had lost my wallet, but I can go pay today before the day is out. As soon as the court is over, I can get it paid today.
Come on down here. If you pay it at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, if you get it paid, I can close it out right now.
Yes, Your Honor. I can pay today. For today.
So you want to come back tomorrow morning?
Yes, sir. Unless I go pay before court is over.
Today. All right, go ahead. Come back. I'm gonna put it aside.
Okay, what do I do? Do I just
either pay it at any div that kiosk, DIV, DAT. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you can go to any Myers or anything like that to look at the app. Or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Okay, do I join court again today after I pay it, or do I have to wait?
Please do, so I can close it out properly.
Okay, thank you, Ron. I'll pay it in about an hour.
Oh, very well. Does Mr. Calderon have to need an interpreter?
Well, he does need an interpreter, but I have an interpreter in my office, and I've already explained everything to him through the interpreter, so we could probably get through it real quick on a failure to display.
Well, I need to get an interpreter to make sure that I know that he understands everything.
Right. I have my interpreter next to him that works in my office if you want to go that route. Or we can wait. It doesn't matter to me. I can come back.
What about Garcia? Is he here?
Yeah, I can see him on the screen.
Is the interpreter here?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Jose Garcia Calderon, case number SP 173-6083, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Neil Brand. My client is on the other Zoom camera, and I do have my interpreter next to him, and I did just explain all of his rights and the charges and how to plead to him through my interpreter.
Mr. Calderon, state your name for the record, please.
Señor Calderon, declare su nombre, por favor.
José Mauricio Garcia Calderon.
Today is the date and time. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. You want to take the deal, failure to display, I'll fine you $240. We'll dismiss the other case.
Hoy es el día y fecha para tomar el prejuicio. ¿Usted quiere revisar los casos o quiere deshacer el caso? Está presente.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, what is your name, please?
Maria Avila, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Can you raise your right hand, please? Let me see. Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in a manner now before the court not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I swear.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish to English?
Yes, I swear.
All right, very well. Mr. Garcia, you want to take the deal, sir?
Señor García, ¿quiere aceptar el acuerdo?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Garcia.
Levante su mano derecha, señor García.
Do you swear or affirm that you'll tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Puede afirmar decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad? Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que el posible cargo de estos son 93 días en la cárcel y 90 multas y asesoramientos de multas? ¿Entiende eso? Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Entiende que usted tiene el absoluto derecho a un juicio? Yes.
Mr. Brand went over your other advice or rights at some point during the pendency of this case, did he not?
Le ha preguntado a señor Brand si le leyó a usted todos sus derechos, se los leyó con usted.
Sí.
Yes.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Entendió esos derechos?
Yes.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene cualquier pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Entiende que al aceptar este acuerdo usted tiene que ceder esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Nadie más le ha ofrecido a usted algo más que esté fuera de lo que se ha dicho en el récord? No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 13th, 2025, at around 5:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Woodmere and Avis. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Le llamo la atención a la fecha del 13 del 2025 a las 5:15 en Detroit, en la avenida de Woodmere. ¿Se acuerda de esa fecha?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Estaba operando algún vehículo motorizado?
Sí.
Yes.
Was the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿El oficial le pidió que usted produciera una licencia válida? Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
Usted no pudo hacerlo. Bueno, no.
Why is that?
¿Por qué fue eso? I didn't have it with me.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display with the stipulation of probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matter.
Encuentro a su cliente culpable con la estipulada causa del otro hecho.
That's Mr. Brand. Stipulated.
I stipulate. Judge, he has a credit card to pay. I'm going to have to help him pay. It won't be, what time will it be ready today? Or just give him a couple of days and I'll pay it for him.
I'll give him to the end of the week to make sure it's paid. Pay it by August the 22nd, 2025. And if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. But Judge, does that show up today online or not? Does it typically work like that?
Yeah, it should. We have a new clerk today, so hopefully he can get it in. Yeah, it'll be in there today.
Okay, we'll take care of it. Good to see you, Judge. Thank you. And thank you, Maria.
After 5, so this tomorrow's probably best to look it up.
Okay, sir. I'll take care of it. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well,
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Owney. Mr. Owney, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that he might return with documents.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Owney?
Yes.
I come back on September the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Hey, sir, thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's go to Gorgius.
Georgius.
Gorgius, good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Gorgius, case number SP 1742290, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gorgius.
George Alas Georgius.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gorgius, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ryan Long. Mr. Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We want to take advantage of the plea offer, Your Honor. I can go through the cases and numbers if you need them.
All right, give me the overall deal.
He's pleading to 5 different tickets, Judge. They're all 0-point tickets, and 9 are going to be dismissed.
And what is the what are the actual pleas?
There's a failure to display, 2 improper plates, 2 no registrations.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Long?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
All right. All right. You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Zoranik went over your other advice or rights, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
Nope.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's specific in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 2nd, 2024 at around 6:29 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Sanford and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Was this your 2010 Dodge you were driving?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I had just bought the vehicle.
Very well. And you didn't have a valid license, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display for driving on license repeat offender. I'm gonna find your client guilty of amended count of improper plate for the untitled. I will dismiss that ticket upon payment. And for the no insurance misdemeanor, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. And I will dismiss that upon payment. Stipulate to the faces of the other two tickets as an actual factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're saying no registration. I don't see just a no registration. I see a no plates. Okay, so I'll just find them for the no plate civil infraction as well.
All right.
As stipulate the probable cause to dismiss the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, here's what I'll do. I'm only gonna fine you for 2 of them. I'll give you a break. You do owe some other civil infractions. I'll fine you for the 2 improper plates. $240 a piece. I'll waive the warrant fees. When can you pay?
I just lost my job due to the police coming to my job and arresting me for something I didn't do. So I'm in the process of looking for more work. I work for myself, so they just messed up one of my main contracts I had. So I'm looking for some more contracts at this moment.
We'll do this. Sorry about to hear that. We'll do this. We'll give you 30 days to figure it out. I'll even mark the file allow payment plan. Come back in 30 days. Let us know where you are on 9/18 on September 18, 2025 at 8:30. Let me finish writing this down.
Just put on what?
All right. Come back on 9/18. Let's see where you are. Handed any div to that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can take to pay it. Wish you the best of luck. I'm sorry to hear about the misfortune that you have with police, and hope you can get that rectified. All right.
Yeah.
All right, if you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a good day, TJ.
Okay, you too.
Do we have any legalities?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Yeah, Jonathan Gaines, are you there? Jonathan Gaines, stop. City of Detroit, is Jonathan Gaines there? I think he must have fallen off. All right, what about, let me name these two iPhones. iPhone 2, I'll ask you to unmute yourself, start your camera, please. iPhone 2, start your camera. What's your name, please, on the iPhone 2?
Reginald
Mark
Goree.
Gaddis. Mark Gaddis.
I've already got you, Mr. Goree. There's another iPhone 2. Start your camera.
Mr. Gaddis.
Gaddis?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you. That's Mark Twain Gaddis.
Yes.
All right, good morning to you. And then just a regular iPhone. Good morning to you. What is your name? Can you start your camera, please?
How you doing? It's Officer Crawford.
Officer who?
Crawford. CRAWFORD.
Good morning to you, Officer Crawford.
Morning.
Good morning. Jonathan Gaines fell off, huh? All right, I'm gonna get Mark Brown. Is that attorney Mark Brown? All right, let's continue to move on. So get me down to Rayshawn Lundy-Maize.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Rayshawn Valdez Lundy-Maize, case number SP 1796921, SP 1757719, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Zoranic, appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zoranic for Mr. Lundy-Maize. Please state your name, sir.
Rayshawn Lundy-Maize.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review, and we also have 2 new tickets. You didn't pay for the tickets that you owe, Mr. Lundy-Maize. Why is that?
I just paid for it. I just paid for it.
Let me see. How did you do that?
It should be in there right now. She said she couldn't close it out because I'm in court right now.
Who said that?
The clerk.
Well, if you can't close it out, I'm not gonna see it. It's paid. Let's see. And
Yep,
all right, it's paid. I'm gonna dismiss SP 167-96921. It's paid. I'm gonna dismiss that. Mr. Zoranic, he has an unregistered, untitled, and no insurance misdemeanor. Give Mr. Lundy-Maize an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lundy-Maize, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in with Mr. Zoranic. Let us know what you want to do. As for purposes of arraignment, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on behalf and give him a $0 bond. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Thanks, Judge.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goosby. Mr. Goosby, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client's going to go ahead and pay the outstanding no proof insurance. I guess we're asking for a bench trial date, but he does have valid registration and insurance today.
All right, give him a bench trial date of 9/18/2025 at 9 a.m. Make sure you bring that valid documentation next time you come into court. All right, Mr. Goosby?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, next court date is 9/18/2020. No, strike that. September the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right, September the 8th.
September the 8th.
All right, there's nothing further. Very best to you. Who do we have in the gallery here?
Charles Graves off.
No, I'm not speaking. City of Detroit, Miss Soroki versus Jaitton Loveberry, case number SP 1745750, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1745751. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Loveberry, good morning. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning. My name is Jaitton Loveberry.
All right, you gotta sit up, sir. Gotta sit up. All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Loveberry, Ms. Soroki is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gorgius. Mr. Gorgius, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as the operative brake lights. We seek dismissal for valid documents.
All right, dismiss the case. Mr. Gorgius will provide valid documentation. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. They are ready for me and John's. Littleton. Yes. Let me get the people here out in the gallery. Give me the names, please. Did they sign advice or rights?
Yes, sir. Brian Oliver Jr.
Ryan Oliver Jr.
and Mr. Mario Littleton.
Was the only two?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Your Honor. This is the city of Detroit versus Veronica Ginn. Case number, strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Veronica Ginn. Case number SP, strike that. SX 39-18803.
Hello, Your Honor. Hello, Your Honor. Hello, Your Honor.
How are you, ma'am? Good morning to you.
Better. Thank you for asking.
Thank you. Appearance, Mr. Berry for Ms. Ginn.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant Ginn.
All right, good morning, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Ginn owes a handful of civil infractions that are pretty old, none of which I see that are affecting her ability to get a valid driver's license. Ms. Ginn, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lundy-Maize. Mr. Lundy-Maize, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we're going to request a dismissal on both matters due to valid documentation.
I'm going to dismiss the cases, grant the motion for providing valid documentation. Mr. Lundy-Maize, if you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too, sir.
Thank you. All right. Is it each one you have a shot? All right, can we get them online? Go ahead. I know.
I'm Mr. Littleton. I just wanted to ask you 2 more weeks to stitch. That's all I need.
What?
Mr. Littleton.
Mr. Littleton, is Did we give you more time last time?
No.
Is today is the day and time set for trial? Give me a few minutes on that one, all right?
Thank you.
And your name, sir?
Roy Oliver.
Oliver. Do you have a cell phone?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get Oliver.
Yes, sir.
Brian Oliver, Brian.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, and ma'am, good morning to you. All right, what's the middle name if you have one?
James, I'm sorry.
Junior?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus James Oliver Jr., case number SP 121-8318. I think he's gonna have to sign on. Counts 1 and counts 2, SP 133-83722, SP 149-12521, SP 174-3535, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 174-35381. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zoya for Mr. Oliver. Please state your name, sir.
Your name for the record, please.
Brian James Oliver Jr.
He can stand up at the podium, man, because we don't have that. All right, today is the date and time set for a I don't see him on the docket.
He's on there, Judge.
He's 8:35, Judge.
What?
Oh. I counted,
He just has one on the docket up for show cause.
I have 5 on my docket up for show cause. I counted 8 into the record. I see where the other 3 are. I don't have any issue with setting up matters aside. There are new cases. One is expired plate, no valid registration, and no insurance proof that went along with the driving license suspended. Then I see another no insurance misdemeanor, improper plate, no insurance misdemeanor, and a suspended license. Mr. Oliver, get on the cell phone, speak to Mr. You're on, so step out in the hallway. I'm gonna let you in. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Zoran. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Thank you. All right. Can you sign on and take over? I'm gonna go downstairs. All right, let's pass that matter. Yeah, I'm gonna let the attorneys they have the co-host abilities. I'm gonna let them get these offers together so people aren't just sitting there waiting. I'm gonna have to go down and cover another courtroom. But we're gonna keep it moving with the attorneys speaking to each of the defendants in the breakout room. So let's go back on the record with Mr. Loveberry. I'll do a couple more. Mr. Loveberry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You need an appointed attorney.
Your Honor, Pauline. Yes. Yes.
All right. I need a good phone number for you, Mr. Loveberry.
313-434-4655.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a pretrial on September the 4th, 2025 at 8:30. I set that for a pretrial just so that I make sure that that attorney has contacted you. If that attorney has not contacted you by the 4th, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. Okay, so we'll set it for set a pretrial for the 4th. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you. You too.
Thank you. All right.
We check the license of Miss Ginn.
Miss Jen? Here,
Yes.
check that one. Are you ready, Ms. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Ms. Schneider. All right, let's go with Sierra Lloyd-Mead.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is let me spell it right. City of Detroit versus Sierra Lloyd-Mead. Case numbers SP 1742393, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Mead.
Ms. Mead, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Sierra Lloyd-Mead. I have all my documentation like the lady before told me to have. Insurance, registration, and license.
Run her license, please. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ginn. Ms. Ginn, I do see a valid documentation. I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. You still owe those other civil infractions. I'll waive warrant fees. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day, okay?
Thank you, sir. You too.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Nelson. I have to check into Judge Wagner, Judge Millhouse's courtroom as well.
All right, I'll check you in. Good morning, Officer Nelson.
Thank you.
All right, let's go down to Pamela Lyon.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Mr. Berry, this is the City of Detroit versus Pamela Susan Lyon, case number SP 174-71331, SP 174-78883, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lyon.
Pamela Susan Lyon.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Lyon, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Berry, she's going to be in there, all right?
All right. Thank you.
Join, please. All right. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliver has not come out yet. Mr. Ceramic.
I need an SOS on him, Judge.
Can we get an SOS on Mr. Oliver, please? On Miss Lloyd-Mead, she has a valid driver's license. Okay. Can you sign on?
Yeah, I showed him on court and clerk.
Are you here? Are you on already?
Yes.
You're the host now?
Yes.
How did you do that?
Well, I was already signed in.
Oh. I thought I was the host.
Yeah.
You know how to do something a little tricky there, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Listen, Montez, you have your hand raised.
Yes, sir.
Montez,
I'm sorry. Montez Lee.
Say that again.
Montez
Yeah,
Lee.
Very good. All right, listen, I'm gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period. That should be the grace period. That should be the grace period. I'm gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officers don't show, then we'll get you out of here. If the officers do show, we'll get you in the breakout room, and that is the grace period there. So no other officers are able to be heard after that. All right. So, Mr. Officer Perkins, is Officer Perkins here? Well, Montez Lee seems like I can take care of Montez Lee right now.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Montez Lee. Case number SP 122-1660, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Lee, state your name for the record, please.
Montez Lee.
All right, today's being time set for a trial. Is Officer Brian Perkins here? Brian Perkins? I don't hear a response, and I have not seen. Is Officer Perkins here? Seen Officer Perkins join the room. I'm going to dismiss the case for no officer. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. That's the luck to you. All right.
Your Honor.
Yes.
And I do have my valid license now and insurance. Everything is covered.
Congratulations, sir. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Those cases are going to be dismissed either way, though.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. Have a great day.
I want to hear too. I want same thing. Dismiss.
Miss Lawson, Miss Lawson. James Oliver is suspended.
Oh, it's still suspended? Okay.
James Oliver
Thanks,
is
Judge.
suspended. Let's see why he's suspended. Lloyd-Mead is valid. Let's see why Oliver is suspended. Oliver, he's got 3 different driver's license numbers. I don't think that's why he's suspended. He is suspended
Who's hot?
for this,
Okay, being fired.
Miss Lawson,
Oh, shoot. Yes.
you have to mute yourself, please. For some reason I can't mute her, please. All right, he's suspended for this, this no insurance misdemeanor, this no insurance civil infraction. And I didn't think there was any, reinstatement fee on that. He's suspended for that.
Okay.
They'll be able to do something about that.
Yeah, okay. I'll go let him know.
Yeah, we'll be able to do something about that.
All right.
All right,
Thanks,
here's the
Judge.
deal. Listen, Mr. Zaranick and Miss where's Miss Roky and Mr. Berry? I gotta go downstairs. I have to go downstairs and cover this felony court. I want to keep it moving. Charles Graves, no recollection, officer. I can do that. All right. I want to keep it moving. So where are the 3 attorneys?
I'm here, Judge.
Is Charles Graves here?
Yes, Your Honor, right here.
Where? I don't see you.
He's under Graves, Huff, and Huff, Judge.
What's your middle name, sir?
Banks.
And what's your date of birth?
June 30th, 1979.
Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Charles Graves. Case number SP 1711099, counts 1 and counts 2 of the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Graves. Please state your name, sir.
Charles Graves, sir.
Thank you.
All right, day is date and time set for a formal hearing. The officer, that was per Ms. Snyder, Officer Smith has checked in. We'll dismiss the case. No recollection. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. All right.
Let me bring Mr. Oliver in, Judge. We could take care of him too. I'll go get him.
I have a list of the order that everyone came in. I would like to get them out in that order as best we can. I know it doesn't always happen that way. But what we'll do, well, you have control of the breakout room and everything. All right, so bring them out. So here's my list. I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna be back as soon as I can. What we need to do is we need to get each people in the breakout room and get the offers ready. Get the offers ready. So that way, when I come back, all I gotta do is put it on the record. If you want a new court date, if they want a new court date, then they can just get out of here right now and give them a new trial date. Here are the trial dates, and here are the pre-trial dates. All right. All right. Let me go downstairs and cover this, and I'll be back. I apologize for any inconvenience.
I have to wait till you come back, Your Honor. It's Jarrell Winter.
Yeah, everybody does. You want me to do
so
special for you, Mr. Gwinner?
No.
Court is in recess. Mute your phones. You may be seated. Please mute your phones.
I'll finish talking to them. I guess the other two haven't appeared, so if they do, you can let me know and give them the same date.
You spoke with the attorney?
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you very much, Ms. Manny. You have a good day.
All right, so for House Counsel, just take the people into the breakout rooms and give them their offers. And if they want future dates, you don't have to wait for the judge. Just let me know who has a future date and we can let them go. I just need to know their name.
You're going to be able to, you're going to be able to give out dates?
Yes, sir. Just let me know who the person
We need
is.
a bench trial date for Ms. Lyon.
Okay,
Yes,
hold on 1
sir.
second. What's the full name?
Pamela Susan Lyon.
Lyon.
Okay, one moment. Let me find her. What time is she at?
8:35.
Jaquan Gray.
Present. Joaquin Gray is the name.
Okay, follow the prompt, please.
Follow the prompt.
Pamela Lyons wants a bench trial?
That's correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's going to be September the 8th, 9 o'clock.
September the 8th at 9 o'clock.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right, so you can take the rest of your clients into the breakout room, give them the offers. And the judge gets back, we'll be ready. All the House counsel should co-host.
Quick question, sir. This is Sergeant Easton.
Yes.
I'm here on Littleton, Mario Littleton. I heard them saying something about giving him another court date or something like that.
What time is Littleton here?
I'm right here.
Oh, okay, he's in the courtroom. Littleton is in the courtroom, but I guess if you're gonna get another date.
Yeah, the 8th would be good, September the 8th would be good.
Wait a minute, hold on.
Do you know if that's the actual thing? You know that's actually confirmed that he needs another court date?
No, I don't. So I can't say.
Can I ask a question? If I got a court date, am I done with this call?
Yes.
Yes, you can leave.
All right, thank you.
Clerk?
Yes.
Yes, okay, I'm here on, let me see, a trial for, let's see. Sorry, where did I set this file down? Mark Gaddis. I know he checked in because I texted him this morning. He texted me back saying he's here. I think did he check in yet?
Yes.
Okay, very great. All right, you could put it, I'm gonna come back to the courtroom with my laptop instead of my hand computer. I can use it better. And so I'll be checking back in a couple minutes.
All right. Right now, I have you as co-host, so if you want to put them in the breakout room, you can do that now.
Okay, all right. Let me put them in. Let's see here. Breakout room. See here. I'm on my iPhone. I could do it from my computer, but I don't know about from my iPhone here. I'll come back in a minute and yeah, on my computer, on my laptop.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Clerk,
Yes.
do you have a Joaquin Gray up on your docket?
G-R-A-Y or E-Y?
AY.
You said Joaquin Gray?
Yeah, I don't see him on mine.
So I don't see a Joaquin Gray either.
Mr. Gray, can you give Mr. Clerk the case number?
Yeah, it says case number is U 7-19-43-32-5.
All right, one moment. Yeah, he's supposed to be in room 336. Courtroom 336.
Mr. Gray, you hear that?
Yeah, but I have okay. All right. So is there an ID, Zoom ID that I can
Yep, 360.
Hold on. You said the Zoom ID number is
360 336 0000.
So that's 360-336. That's 4 zeros or 3 zeros?
360 336 0000.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mrs. Zaranick, are you gonna take your clients into the breakout room?
Yep, I'm just gonna go move one at a time and take care of them.
Okay. And the other counsel is Barry, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I don't see how to do that. Can you,
Lester Lee, I'm gonna move you to room 3. Follow the prompt, please.
Could I get Gwinner in 2?
The upper 70s, be sure to get outside. Jacquill Gwinner, can you hear me?
Yeah, this is Gwinner right here.
Okay, I'm gonna give you an invitation to join a breakout room and just remain in that room till you talk to the lawyer.
Okay.
Hit join. All right, so Gwinner is in room 8, Mr. Berry.
Okay.
Charmaine Lee, can you hear me?
Yes.
Did you already talk to the lawyer?
No.
All right, I'm gonna give you an invitation to join a breakout room. So you can talk to, just click on Zoom. All right, Mr. Rookie, your help, you have privileges.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, for half an hour? Okay. Okay, I know. All right.
Tommy Grantham.
Has a police officer checked in on Mark Gaddis's case yet?
Who's the officer?
Let's see here.
Yes, I'm here. Tommy Grantham here.
Joe Tariff.
Yes, sir, right here.
Most of them have, Alan. Just text me about it.
All right, well, I'll go meet you in 2 and we'll talk.
Or 4.
Okay, 4. Okay. Let me go to
Tommy
4.
Grantham.
Tommy Grantham here.
You talked to an attorney yet, sir?
Not this morning.
All right, I'm gonna put you in room 3, please.
All right.
Follow that prompt. Hold on a sec.
Bob, can you meet me in 2 for a minute, please?
Yeah.
Mark Brown, can you hear me?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Who is your client today?
My client there is Renard Lynham.
Is he already checked in?
He signed on, I think, about 8:30.
Mark Lyon. I don't see Mark Lyon.
No, Renard Lynham.
Okay, Renard Lyon.
Yes.
No, I don't see Renard Lyon. Did you need to speak to the prosecutor?
Yes, I did. Let me see if I can get him back online if he's not on there.
Mark Gaddis, please accept the prompt. Go to room 15.
Mr. Brown, I'm going to put you in with the prosecutor.
Thank you. For
Charlene Lusk, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Did you already talk to a lawyer?
No.
I'm giving you an invitation for a breakout room.
Okay.
House counsel, can you hear me? Who's labeled
Yes.
House counsel? Nope, I'm looking for someone that says House counsel on the device.
This is Zoranic.
No, there's someone. So there's someone else that says House counsel on the device. It says House.
Oh,
I don't know who that is.
Mr. Love, Levon Love. Levon Love.
Could be thrown down the chute.
Hello.
All right, Mr. Love, I'm putting you in breakout room 5. There will be an attorney in there to talk to you, okay? Wait in room 5.
Okay.
You'll get a prompt in a second. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
hello, Mr. Zoranic.
Hey, Mark, how are you?
Good. Long time no see.
Yeah, good to see you, man. You hanging in there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good, good. All right, Mr. Love, I got
Mr. Brown.
Yes, sir. I spoke to the prosecutor. She suggested we get trial dates on the tickets and then go from there.
Okay.
So you give me another date?
Yeah, what's the client's name again? Last name?
Last name is Lynham, Lynum.
All right,
First name Renard.
Kenneth London. Mr. Love, follow the prompt to breakout room 5, please.
Renard Lynham.
Yes,
again. Breakout room 5. How do I do that?
there should have been a prompt on your screen, sir.
I'm looking for it. It's somebody chat.
No,
Say chat.
it'll show up like in the middle of your screen. Just a minute, I'll send it again.
Attorney Brown, so it's going to be September 8th, 9 a.m. bench trial.
Both sides opened up.
September 8th. Okay, just one moment, please. I don't know if that's a good day because,
Excuse me, sir, that's not showing up.
I'll send it again, sir. Hold on.
Actually, I have a trial. I have a jury trial in circuit court on that day. Can we do it a different day, please?
You ain't seen it.
All right, so that's the date that gave me. I tell you what, can you call back tomorrow and get another date?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I can do that.
So I'll put it down for the 8th, but let the clerk know that you can't do it on 8th, you can give it another day.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a good day.
Can you come?
Mark, take care.
All right. See you
Mr.
later.
Lynham, follow the prompt to 3.
Say follow what? Okay, let me see. Do I have?
Bernard Lyon?
Yes.
No, he was represented by Mark Brown.
Yeah, Mark Brown, my attorney.
Oh, he was? Okay, my fault.
Yeah, Mr. Lynham, your lawyer was here. You got
Yeah,
a
the
trial,
same
a bench trial date for September the 8th, but he's gonna talk to you, so you can log off, contact your lawyer, Mark Brown.
Okay, he calling me now. Okay.
All right, have a nice day.
Megan Lawson,
Can you talk to me? It's Mr. London. Hello?
Megan Lawson, can you unmute?
This is Kenneth London on mute. I'm trying to communicate with you. Can you talk? I'm trying to figure out where to meet you at.
Just observing. Okay. Just guys. He said he's doing just guys for you. Yeah, he's doing it. So you just got house counsel to take care of it.
Mr. London.
Yes.
Okay, I keep putting you in a breakout room. You keep coming out.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm not doing anything. Put me in there. I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting here.
Yeah.
I'm not hitting no
All right.
buttons or nothing. I'm just sitting here.
Okay.
Okay, you finally got it in.
Follow the prompt, sir.
Okay, I don't know. What's the client's name?
Megan Lawson, are you there?
Megan Lawson?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, ma'am. Follow the prompt. I'll send you a prompt in a minute to go to a breakout room.
Okay.
Look, you got I got it. I'll let them know the lead. Yeah.
Could I get Mr. Guly in 8?
Mrs. Rennick, can you hear me?
You said who?
Guly.
Goree?
No, Guly.
Oh, okay.
You saying 8? How do I do that? It didn't pop up on my screen yet.
Hey, hold on, sir. We'll put you in there.
Okay.
Mrs. Rennick, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, Officer Lee on Lawson has no recollection. So for those tickets ending 401, 402, 403, there's no recollection for name and Lawson.
Okay.
And I got Charmaine Lee and Charlene Lust in 10 and 11.
Goalie should be an 8, Elwood. I don't know if Lawson's still here even. Oh, there she is. Okay, I got her.
Mr. Berry, can you hear me?
I hear you.
Okay. Jarrell Winter, what did you, what's going on? Is he in a future date or is he going to take a plea?
Winter. No, he's got an offer that he wants to accept.
Okay. Mr. Berry, so there's Charmaine Lee in breakout room 10 and Charlene Lust in breakout room 11.
Okay, I'll go to 10.
Barkovic Law, can you hear me? Barkovic Law.
All right. Court is back in session. You may be seated.
Hopefully I can get that rhythm that I had before I left, because I was on a, get Mr. Winter out of here. Let's go. The real winner is going to take a plea is represented by Barry. But I think Barry's in break. I will wait. He's going to get to order. Let me have my list back, please. All right, I can get, where are the attorneys? Zaroki, Pauline Zaroki is in 5, and I think Barry's.
I'm back, Judge.
Now you're back. All right, let's go, and give me hostilities back. I don't know how you did that.
We're ready on Tommy Gratham, Judge. That's a plea.
I got it. I can. Let's go back on the record with or Grayson. That is you said Grayson?
Gratham, Grantham.
You have that file? How do you spell that name? Grayson? Tommy Gratham? Where is he?
He came back, unless he fell off.
Oh, he's in there.
Gratham, are you here?
He's in there. I don't remember signing him. I don't remember signing him in.
Yeah, I talked to him.
Let's call it City of Detroit.
Oh, he's here, Judge.
Yeah, I see. City of Detroit versus Tommy Ray Gratham. Case number, or Grantham. Case number SP1744476, counts 1 and counts 2. SP174444801. Appearance for the record, please.
Dobbs Zaranick for Mr. Gratham. Please state your name, sir.
Tommy Ray
Grantham.
Grantham.
Tommy Ray Grantham.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. What's your client want to do, Mr.
Judge, we got a plea worked out. He is going to plead on the ticket 47, stick count 1 to improper plates. The other 2 matters will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Do you still have this vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have you want to take some time to get some registration and insurance on it?
Yeah, I should have it within a month. I'm going through a disability situation over the past couple of years, so my finances has tremendously changed. I'm a veteran and I did work through Social Security, so I'm going through both situations, but it's about to come to an end within the next 90 days, I know.
Now you went from a month to 90 days. That's 3 months.
No. I don't need a 90 days with you. I'm saying I know it's gone. I got a hearing with Social Security judge on September 2nd, but I can borrow money to get the other stuff taken care of.
And he's one that's still got some credit out there. You didn't burn up all your ass for people. Let's go ahead and give you some time to get some, but I'd rather see you get some insurance and registration than you pay this $240.
Yes. Yes.
I'm gonna give you till October 2nd. Strike that. October 7th trial. Come on back then. I hope you have things together. Thank you for your service, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Well, is Jonathan Gaines here? Did he ever show back up? Who was representing Mr. Oliver? They're probably in a breakout room.
We didn't talk to him. All right,
Who's ready? Mr.
I'm ready, Your Honor. I'm Mark Gaddis, and they'll get a couple of officers out of here too.
Let me get good morning, Mr. Shiroki.
Good morning.
You get Mr. Zoranik started, and then I'll get Mr. Gaddis going.
I got 1 and 3, Judge, I'm working on.
Okay, then. All right, Gaddis. Let's go with Mark Twain Gaddis. City of Detroit versus Mark Twain Gaddis Jr. and the state of Michigan. The City of Detroit versus Mark Twain Gaddis. State case number SP 1503858. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1503861. SP 1575184. SP 1590124. SP 1700470. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1703534. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441. I'm here on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Mark Gaddis.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial in this matter. The offer of the prosecution is Mr. Gaddis will plead to 1 improper equipment ticket, 1 expired plates ticket, and 1 improper plates ticket and dismiss the remaining 6 tickets.
I'm trying to count, see where the ticket missing. All right. Do you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes. So yeah, I got finally got the money to get I got the insurance and I got an appointment for the 19th to go get the plates and stuff. I got the money and stuff to get all that stuff.
Officer Hill, good morning to you. Are you there?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer William Hill, Badge 3756, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Officer McCullough?
Can you hear me?
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Good morning to you as well. Police Officer Blake McCullough, badge number 4882, Detroit Police.
What about Officer Thornton? What about Officer Tara?
He was here, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Tariff.
Good morning, Officer Tariff. Badge number, department for the record, please.
Detroit Police Department, badge number 3927.
And what about Officer, good morning to you. What about Officer Pernelli? And Officer Lever?
These wasn't even officers.
Officer Lever. Good morning, Your Honor. Detroit Police Department, badge number 3478.
Morning. So, today is the date and time set for a trial/formal hearing. And you said the offer was what, Mr. Sorokin?
Plea to 1 improper equipment, 1 improper plates, and 1 expired plates, and dismiss the remaining 6 tickets, which includes an open alcohol driver and an open alcohol passenger.
I don't know if you're gonna do much better than that, Mr. Gaddis.
Okay, I was just saying I got it together now. I got to get my plates. I got the appointment for tomorrow. So
yeah, I don't know if you're gonna do much better than that.
Okay.
We can reset it if you take a chance of that officer showing back up.
I'm
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? 93 days in jail and $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room. Did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to April the 4th, 2025 at around 12:16 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Dexter and Burlingame. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Or were you, well, let me just ask you this. Did you own this 2006 Chevrolet?
1996.
1996 Chevrolet, did you own that?
Yes.
And that vehicle was operable?
Yes.
And did you have any insurance on that vehicle?
No. Oh, I did have it. I didn't have it on me.
You had insurance? You had insurance but didn't have it on you?
Yeah.
Mr. Officer Terry,
Yes, Your Honor.
did you have insurance?
I don't recall.
Huh? He says he has insurance. At that date and time, you said he didn't.
Yeah, I didn't have it on my purse. I ain't have no paperwork for the car on my purse.
You say you had insurance.
Yeah.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to May the 5th, 2025 at around 2:04 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Greenfield and Wadsworth. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I think so, yes.
And was this your 2008? Was that a Porsche?
No, that was my friend's car.
All right. That's not gonna work. Okay, let me carry your attention back to the last one. Then carry your attention back to September 28th, 2023 at around 10:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Rutherford and Elmira. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department operating a 2003 Chevy?
Yeah. Yes.
And is that your 2003 Chevy?
I think so. Yeah, I think that was my van. I don't have it no more here.
But did you have insurance on that day?
I don't remember.
You said no?
Oh, I don't think so. I don't think it was good. No, I think it had lapsed. I didn't pay it on time.
Right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate for that.
Okay.
And then I'll find you, it stipulate to the, you say it's no registration, Mr. Or expired plate?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket for that expired plate as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plate?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. That stipulation, I'll find them responsible to the, as charged to the expired plate. I'm only gonna fine them for the one, I'll give you a break, 240. I won't fine you for the expired plate. We already owe some others, a lot of other money down here anyway. 240, when can you pay it? I'll dismiss upon payment.
I can come pay it today.
You wanna come back tomorrow, or are you gonna get down here before 12 o'clock or so?
Yeah, I can make it down there for 12.
All right, I'm gonna set it aside with you and Mr. Griffin, all right? Pass the matter, other matters dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fees. Officers, you be safe out there. Best of luck to you. And Mr. Gaddis, best of luck to you.
Okay.
To close this matters out, all right?
All right, thank you.
Well. All right.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Rock.
Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Rock. Yeah.
Attorney Barkovic. All right, let's go with, let's go, are we ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready as Miss Lee and Miss Lust.
All right, let's go,
Should be ready for winner, the real winner.
yeah. I was hoping you guys would have gone in order like I asked. City of Detroit versus Charlene Luss, case number SP 1748439, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Miss Lust.
Charlene Lust.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time.
Good morning.
Set for a
Pre-trial.
what's going to happen with the case, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to blockading for the improper left turn. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Want to take the deal, ma'am?
Not really, but yeah.
Oh, no. So we're not going to give you the deal. All right. Trial date is going to be September the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lust, have a very good day. I'll see you back on September the 8th. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Well, who else, Mr. Berry?
Charmaine Lee, Your Honor, 835.
City of Detroit versus Charmaine Lee, case number SP 1748392, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Charmaine Lee.
Ms. Lee, you're gonna have to come to court a little bit more, dress more a little appropriate next time, all right?
Okay.
Let's go with what is the outcome of this gonna be?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea of limited access 6 to 10 miles over for the speeding ticket and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You wanna take the deal, Ms. Lee?
Yes.
Limited access 6 to 10, that's gonna be, what, 1 point and $135.
Okay.
I stipulate to the face of the ticket of an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
I find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 6 to 10, 135. When can you pay it, Ms. Lee?
Next week.
I'll give you until August 29th. Is that good enough?
Yes.
Pay it at any DivDat kiosk, in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that out to your phone. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. All right. What about, you don't have anybody else, right, Mr. Berry?
Correct, Your Honor.
Let me get you going on Jaquan. Is that Jaquan Gary? Or is that Jaquan Gray? Is he still here? All right.
Hey, Your Honor, quick question. This is Sergeant Easton.
How you doing, Sergeant Easton?
Yes, sir. I'm here on Littleton. I heard you guys over talking earlier over I think his court date. You know if that's actually going on or
Yeah, he wants some more time. He says he's almost got his stuff together. What did you say? 2 weeks? Yes. What is it gonna be? 2 weeks, Your Honor. For sure. Yeah. How many officers are here on Littleton?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
This Officer Patman, is that Mario Littleton?
Yes.
I'm here on him as well for a license.
Patman, good morning to you. Ed Lee is here. Good morning to you. Eason, Officer Tucker here. Ask, find out Miss Soroki, if Miss Snyder has any objection to allowing him to have some more time. What we do, we'll set a pretrial date instead of having officers come in. All right, I gotta get you going. So what about Clarissa Lewis? Anybody talk to Clarissa Lewis? Miss Lewis, are you there? All right, let's go back on the record. Who spoke with the Lloyd-Mead?
I did, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lloyd-Mead. Ms. Lloyd-Mead, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Is this a dismissal for documents?
If her license is valid, that would be correct, Your Honor.
All right, the case is going to be dismissed, ma'am, for providing valid documentation. You do still have some old civil infractions, an expired plate, no registration that you owe the court, okay?
Much, may I be on a payment plan? I'm still trying to find employment.
Yeah, you can take care of that now. Come up to the courthouse and get into a payment plan or call. Maybe they can do it over the phone. I don't know.
Thank you. When is my end date, if I can have that, please?
There's no really end date. They'll just, it'll actually, if it goes too long, they'll probably send it to collections.
Okay, I'll try my best to get that taken care of. May I go, please?
You may. Best of luck to you on your employment.
Thank you, sir. You have a wonderful day.
What about Clarissa? Yes.
I was gonna say, I also had Mr. Kenneth London, and if his license is valid, we do have resolution.
Let me get some of the attorneys on. Let me get some of the attorneys on Boeing that are just sitting there. Mr. You don't have anybody, right, Mr. Berry?
Correct, Your Honor.
Winner. He's got winner. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Reginald Antoine Goree. Case number 22747-306, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Owen S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goree.
Reginald Antoine Goree.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Well, Aaron, not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Goree, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Diane,
Ms. Gillespie, I think you're supposed to be here at 1:30. Where is Reginald Goree on this, see his name? He's at 8:30. No, I don't see him on the host. Where are you? Oh, he's on, no. Where is Mr. Goree?
I'm right here, sir.
You're on iPhone too. Okay, go ahead.
Yes.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Soroki, Mr. Zaranik, do you need someone? No. All right, let's go back on the record. Let's call the city of Detroit. Now, if you give me these, I need a summary. Hold on. Who was your counsel? Bob Zaranik or the white guy or the black guy? City of Detroit versus Kenneth London. Case numbers. SP 1659478 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1728739 1. SP 1728756 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1728741. SP 174262271. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Kenneth London. Mr. London, can you please give the court your name again?
My name is Kenneth Navarro London.
Your Honor, today is trial date. The officers have appeared. I did speak with the city attorney. If my client's license is valid, the recommendation would be my client would plead to improper equipment and the other matters would be dismissed.
All right, the license is valid. Congratulations on that, Mr. London. You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
We'll find your client responsible for the amended count, as charged to the defective equipment, $120. When can you pay it, Mr. London?
Today.
Today?
Yeah, I was trying to go down there today and pay it.
All right, this is not something you have to return for. I'll just give you to the, make sure you have to pay it by the end of the week, 120. Yes, now you still owe some other old civil infractions as well, so don't be alarmed if you when you see all that other money. Okay.
Yes, sir, Your
Honor. Our best of luck to you, Mr. London. Have a very good day.
Yeah, bless one as well.
All right. What about? Do you have anybody else, Mrs. Soroki? I can get you going on someone.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back in the order that they came in. Kenyon Graham.
Good morning, this is Officer Turner.
I can hear you.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. City of Detroit versus Kenyon Graham, case number SP 1517686, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 174144849, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Kenneth Graham. I'm sorry,
It's actually Keon.
Keon, I'm sorry, that's what I thought it was, I'm sorry. Keon Graham. Mr. Graham, state your name for the record, please.
Keon Graham.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Day is the date and time set for a free trial. Ms. Soroki, give Mr. Graham an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Graham, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Join the room, please. Mr. Zoranic.
Judge, we are ready on
What about Brian
McGonigal.
Oliver? What about Brian Oliver?
Oliver,
Brian Oliver.
I can put him in the breakout room and talk to him, Judge.
You've already spoken to him, right? You
No.
asked for his license. His license was suspended. He's in person, but he called, he zoomed in, he talked to you earlier. Brian James Oliver Jr.
Oh, okay, yeah, he is in the hall.
That was early on.
Yeah, okay, yep, Judge, I got him. He's listed.
All right, let's stand up. Did you get a copy of his advice of rights? All right, let's recall, let's go back on the record with Brian James Oliver Jr. He can stand right here. Okay, Mr. Oliver Jr. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
So, Judge, Mr. Oliver tells me he does have valid documentation, Judge. I'm sorry, I was looking at his 835 ticket, Judge. He's also on docket at 845.
His license is suspended.
Yeah, he tells me.
Oh, that's because of this one case here. Oh, that's because of this one case. You still gotta get it back together. Yes. What are the last 5 digits of your license now?
Please, 66716.
Oh, yeah. So you're gonna have to go back to the Secretary of State. I can give you a trial date. Hand me that copy of his license rights. Yes, Your Honor. I can give you a trial date and then you can come back and see if you can rectify that. What I'll do is, I don't know why that he doesn't owe anything on this ticket except for the 195. It may have gone in default, but it never got to the point where he I'm gonna write on the file here, SB 174-35353 set aside default. And then I'll give you a trial date, come back 9/8/2025 at 9 a.m. once you rectify it. That should rectify that. That's the only thing I see. Well, let me see, make sure. Well, down here, that's affecting your license. I don't see anything else. And that's the first time I've seen it affect your license without a, it says it's suspended 9/12, but set aside without having that reinstatement fee on there. I don't know how that happened.
I have paid my solicitation for job on ticket for no insurance. I paid, and this weekend I got pulled over. I guess they didn't give me enough time. I guess Secretary of State didn't give me enough time.
No, but it's just something going. I'm talking about you got the no insurance proof. Usually before they'll suspend your license, they'll put a reinstatement fee on there, and they haven't done that. So and we're going to set aside the defaults and allow you to do that. And we're going to give you a trial.
I know that I think on the second point at 9 in the morning disappeared.
Can you zoom in?
Yes.
So zoom in on that day after you're done. We'll wait on you. Okay. 9 a.m. All right, just make sure you don't forget. September 8th at 9 a.m. All right.
won't pay attention. I just go to Secretary of State. It's like I can just go to Secretary of State.
No, I will go up to the Secretary. And if they do give you another problem, we're gonna put this in today. They do give you another problem, then you ask for a printout. And that way you have the printout when you come back. They can tell you everything that's affecting your license. And then that way the attorney is better equipped to help you, all right?
Great, thank you, sir.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Zarani, who do you have?
Can we do Magani Lawson, Judge, 9 o'clock?
Let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. Let's do it.
These are my.
Oh, Lawson's at work, right? Let's do Lawson. I think she's at work. All right. Megan Lawson.
Yes.
We're gonna get back.
No,
Somebody
that is leather. That is basket weave leather. It doesn't have to be issued. It's not. It doesn't.
Give me the correct pronunciation of your name, ma'am. Ms. Lawson?
Yes.
Give me the correct pronunciation of your name, please.
Megan Lawson.
Megan Lawson. This is the City of Detroit versus Megan Lawson. Case number SP 127-16161, SP 127-16163, SP 1366675, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 13669. Mr. Gwinner, you're gonna have to. Are you driving, sir?
No, sir. I'm not driving.
I have to mute you. You keep your device is making a lot of noise. SP 13669-331, SP 14024-341, SP 1563156, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1664271, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1670241, SP 1670923, SP 1682232, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1685584, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1745539, strike that. SP 1745369, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 836707, counts 1 and counts 2. SP and counts 3. 14453140, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Miss Lawson. Please state your name, ma'am.
Megan Lawson.
Judge, she's here today for trial on all these matters. Most all these officers did show up, Judge. I went through them with Prosecutor Snyder, and we've agreed it doesn't matter which tickets, Judge. She's going to plead to 1 failure to display. She's going to plead to 3 no registration and 3 improper plate tickets. And the
now,
remaining,
these no registration misdemeanors or civil infractions?
They would be misdemeanors, Judge. And She would plead to those 7. The other 21 on the docket would be dismissed.
So improper plate, we'll give her 6 improper plates then.
Okay.
6 improper plates. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand and one failure to display. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down, or it'll be a combination of maybe failure to display and line. Let's see what we have. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Zoranic went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 22nd, 2025, around 6:19 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Otter Drive and Hayes. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce valid driver's license and registration.
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have neither.
Very well. Find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display for not having a driver's license and improper plate for not acquiring the proper plate. Now, let me draw your attention back to February 17th, 2025 at around 11:15 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Chicago and Prairie. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was this your 2012 Chrysler?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance and registration?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have any.
And what was wrong with the plate on the vehicle?
I'm assuming they said it was expired, but I didn't know nothing about it being expired until they actually told me.
Are you contesting that it was expired or not, ma'am?
I didn't know it was expired though.
You didn't. You said you didn't know you knew you didn't have registration, correct?
Right. Oh,
So
it
that
was registered at one point. And then I got a letter in the mail stating that I couldn't register any more cars, and I was confused. Like, I didn't know.
Right. And you got that before you got stopped, right?
No.
All right. Let's say this. They're saying that the plate is expired. It's your vehicle, correct?
Mm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
And you don't know whether the plate was accurate on that vehicle or not?
It was accurate at one point, but then.
No, I'm talking about at the point you got stopped.
Oh, no, it was definitely expired.
It was definitely expired, right?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty as charged with the improper plate. I'm gonna find you guilty for the amended count of improper plate for the unregistered untitled, and I'm gonna find you guilty for the amended count of improper plate for the no insurance. All right. Lastly, draw your attention back to February 22nd, 2025, around 12:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and Whitcomb. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
That same 2012 Chrysler, did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance and registration?
Yes.
Couldn't do it, could you, ma'am?
No,
And why is that?
I didn't have any.
Okay. Find her guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the no insurance, and as charged the improper plate, because it would be an improper if you didn't have any. Stipulate the proper cause for the dismissal of the other matters. Mr. Ranick?
Yes, Your Honor, we skipped the probable cause. Thank you.
All right, here's the deal, ma'am. You owe the court a lot of money. I'm only gonna fine you for one of these tickets. So. They're all document tickets, and I don't see any tickets that you're speeding and drawing all kind of unnecessary attention to yourself. So fine her for $240 on one of them. I'll waive the warrant fees. You don't have to pay any reinstatement fees. I'm just gonna concern myself with the $240. When can you pay it?
I actually get paid Wednesday night, late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning.
All right, I'll give you till
So I
Friday.
cannot do it Friday because I'm only off on Friday. And
Yeah, I'll give you
close
till
on Saturday.
I'll give you the Friday to pay the $240. That's on the failure to display. You're still gonna owe a lot of other money, but that's gonna be between you and the court. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is Oldham here? So a lot of these people are gone, huh? All right. Let's
Yes.
get Mr.
Yes.
Are you there? Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Are you driving,
can I park my car real quick? I'm pulling back up to work. Okay.
City of Detroit versus and the state of Michigan versus Tyrants. Oldham, case number SP 174-79781, SP 174-8033, SX 45801811. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Oldham. Please state your name, sir.
Tyrants Oldham.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Add another expired plate to that, Mr.
All right.
Add another expired plate to that, Mr. Zaranick. Mr. Oldham, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Zaranick. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
So I don't mean to be disruptive. I just wanted to recheck in. Keep
Yeah, you do. All right. I got you. All right. Did you pay it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I paid it. Hello?
I'm waiting. I'm checking to see.
Hello? Hello?
I'm checking to see. Hold on a second. Chief Javon Griffin, right?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Keith Javon Griffin. I'm gonna close out one of the cases and dismiss the other. I'm gonna close out the no ops and dismiss the improper plate, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, nothing further, sir.
Thank you.
Have a very good day.
You too.
Best of luck to you, all right?
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
All right. What about Ingram? Mr. Winter, are you going to work? Are you supposed to be at work?
We're ready as to Mr. Gwinner, Your Honor.
All right.
That's it.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Jarrell Edward Winter. Case number SP 174-11281 and Z809-7081. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gwinner.
My name is Jarrell Edward Gwinner.
All right. Well, has he been testing? Has this his first time in front of me with this Z ticket?
I believe so, Your Honor.
I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Mr. Winter, on this Z ticket, I'm going to give you a $500 personal bond. I want you to test one time per week.
Okay.
No leaving the state, no leaving state without the court's permission. And obviously no drinking.
Yes.
During the pendency of this case. What's gonna, you need an attorney? You want an attorney assigned to you? Is he gonna plead on a drunk driving today?
The offer is operating while visibly impaired, and he would accept that offer, Your Honor.
Yeah, I'd rather you speak with a lawyer first about it. That's up to you, though. That's up to you. But I'd rather you speak to a lawyer about it. You want to hire your own lawyer, or you want an appointed attorney?
Can I get an appointed attorney? Because I don't have the funds like that.
All right. I need a good phone number from you.
313-955-6091.
I'm going to set a pretrial for the 4th of September at 8:30. You need to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney does not call you by then, and I'm going to refer to probation for testing. If that appointed attorney does not call you by then, you'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that day, okay? Do you have any further questions, sir?
No, do they have a phone number or anything I can reach out?
Well, I'm gonna give you the number to probation. Take the number to probation down just in case, because I do expect you to have a test this week. But you shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. But the number to probation is 313-965-3414. And if you don't hear from them, it's getting close to the end of the week, then you can zoom back into court and we can help you facilitate that. But they should call you, okay?
Okay. All right.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Be safe.
You too.
What about Leroy Ingram? Who do you have, Mr. Berry?
I believe.
Oh, that's Goree. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goree. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do? Reginald Goree.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. Yes, Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, come back on, that's what you want to do, right, Mr. Goree?
Yes, but I have a quick question because I want to come back when I have my license because I have another court date on September 3rd. That'll be my last court date. Would I still be able to get my license without resolving this issue first?
Yes.
Okay.
Nothing here seems to be affecting your license, all right?
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. All right, so I have to get Mr. Berry going. So I have Jaquan Gray, I don't know where he is. Leroy Ingram, I don't know where he is. What about Juliana Livingston-Dabs?
Hey, Your Honor. Sorry to keep bothering you. What ended up happening with Littleton? Is he still here?
Oh, Littleton, I'm gonna give him some time. I didn't get in touch with Ms. Snyder. Are you there?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Littleton, good morning to you. Mr. Littleton, he needs a couple of more weeks, he says to me, right? And what have you done?
Last time I was here, just so happened, I was getting a disability, I was on FMLA, but they stopped my check. So my last two payments didn't go in. That's why I needed a little bit more time.
And you are
But I'm back to work
rectified
now.
it?
Yeah, I'm back to work now and everything's rectified now.
Any objection to giving him a pre-trial date so he can get his stuff together?
No objection, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Mario Littleton, case number SP 1011021, SP 1255136, counts 1, 2, and 3 is down at the podium. SP 1260418, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1304574, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1307763, SP 151932211, SP 163708881, SP 1720450, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for record, please.
Bob Zaranick for the defendant, Your Honor.
State your name for the record, Mr. Littleton.
Mario Littleton.
So here's the deal. You haven't paid any of these, you know you owe these new insurance proofs, right? $288 a piece before you can get a license.
Yes.
You know that?
Well, I know now.
Well, did you factor that into what you have to take care of?
Not the 906.
What do you mean? The 908.
Yeah, 908.
904. Because there's no sense in us to keep coming back and forth, right?
Right.
Yeah, this is too much. This is, you owe 288. 288. Well, you only owe and 328. Before you can even think about getting a license. What are you gonna do?
I know I need to rectify. I need to get the situation took care of.
I know. How long is it gonna take you to do it?
Well, I'm not gonna.
It should have been taken care of. Long time.
Right. I had a plan in place, but my FMA.
I don't want to hear about that.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I want to hear about what.
I'm employed now and I'm going full steam forward and I need a couple more weeks.
You said a couple more weeks, but that's a couple of weeks is the September 4th.
More like September the 8th to be fine.
You'll have these paid. These need to be paid before then. Because if you don't pay them, they're not going to give you clearances.
Right.
All right. These insurance, no proofs, 288. Now you do owe some other civil infractions, but the insurance, no proofs are the ones that are not allowing you to get clearances here.
Exactly.
All right, I'm going to set it for a free trial on 9/8/2025. Well, let's count the officers that are here. We'll close out the matters for the officers that did not show. So I have Officer Ed Lee appeared. I have Officer Patman appeared. I have Officer Sergeant Eason appeared. And is any other officer here for Mario Littleton?
That matches what I checked as well, Your Honor.
I'm going to dismiss the other matters since they didn't show you here. Still doesn't do anything about the three no insurance proofs. So you know that you have to pay, right? All right. Come back on September the 8th at 2025 at 8:30. All right. Thank you. All right. Best of luck to you. Young lady, did you need to be waited on?
No, I was doing mine.
Okay, very good. All right. Have a good day, both of you. All right, let's go. And now Officer Eason, Patman, Sergeant Eason, Officer Patman, and Officer Ed Lee. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Quick question, this Officer Patman.
Yeah.
So I had a Lawson. I just wanted to make sure it was the same Lawson because it was a different spelling on the ticket.
So Megan Lawson?
Can I give you the ticket number to just make sure it was the same one?
Where's my
Yeah, Judge, I think the Officer Patman was on Magani Lawson, who was also Megan Lawson, and we already did it.
Okay, yeah, we've already did that one.
Okay, all right, I'm all set. Thank you.
I'll be safe.
You as well. Thanks.
Ready after Mr. Guly, Your Honor.
Mr. Goree?
Guly. Goley.
Excuse me, Judge. I have a quick question.
This is Goree. Go ahead.
I'm on a strict parenting time schedule. I have to drop my son off. Can I just get the court date, please?
You got one already, didn't you?
No, not for the second one. No, y'all didn't give it to me.
Goree was September. You wanted the trial date on September 8th.
Okay, what time?
9 a.m.
September 8th, 9 a.m.
September 8th, 9 a.m. Be safe.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Is that Roy Guly?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. How you doing? Good morning, Judge.
See you. All right. Is this Roy Stanley Guly Jr.?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Roy Stanley Guly Jr. Case numbers SP17221081, SP17396701, SP17400451. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Guly.
Roy Stanley Guly Jr.
All right, scratch SP17396770 from the record. That he already was adjudicated downstairs. He has a 26 to 30 mile an hour over that he missed the formal hearing on. I don't have any issue with setting it aside and allowing him to be heard on that. He has, in the park closed, give Mr. Guly an updated offer. Mr. Berry, keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Your Honor, we've had our interview and we seek a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
All right, that's what you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
Give him a pretrial date. That date is set just to make sure you get that appointed counsel. I need a good phone number from you, please.
Yes, 313-301-3200.
301-3200. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. Come back on September the 4th, 2025. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by then, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
No problem at all, Judge.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Excuse me, Judge, one question.
What's that?
You were going into about that speeding ticket on that day I missed because I did miss that.
We're gonna put that on there too.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you.
And you say September
the 4th.
September 4th.
It's not a trial date that day. That date is going to be pre-trial. We're going to set another trial. I want to wait to make sure you get that appointed attorney.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. And that's September 4th is it 9:30 again? I mean 8:30 again?
8:30.
8:30. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, I already called Juliana Livingston-Dabs. She never responded. Charles Grace. You don't have anybody, do you, Mr. Berry?
No, I'm here. I've never heard you say my name. I'm sorry.
All right. Do you have anybody, Mr. Berry?
I do not, Your Honor.
All right, this is going to be the city of Detroit versus Juliana Jared Patrick Livingston-Dabs. Case number SP-142-4145, counts 1 and counts 2. SP-147-31971, SP-147-49151, SP-149-24071, SP-149-44601, SP-149-75401, 149-76971. Who's that talking? All right, you're about to get pushed back to the end of the line if you don't be quiet.
Me?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
SP-149, turn your camera on. SP-149-85191, SP-150-40151, U-717-31425. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Livingston.
Juliana Francis Livingston-Dabs.
So I have this is the wrong case.
Yeah, I have one matter on the docket. I hope it's the wrong case.
I do too. Strike all that from the record. Call the city of Detroit versus Liana Livingston-Dabs, case number SP-172229951. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. Again, Ms. Livingston-Dabs, state your full name.
Juliana Francis Livingston-Dabs.
Day is date and time. Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your clients we have. Give you a $0 bond to staff. I'm going to put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, right? That's the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Oldham. Mr. Oldham, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, can we set this matter for another adjourned pretrial date? He needs just a little time to bring in his registration.
Where's the Oldham file? Here's the file. What about his license?
Looks like he has a license, Judge.
You've already checked that? Here, check his license, please.
Well, either way, he's got to come back, Judge, and he was going to check on, make sure everything's valid and have it ready on his next date.
All right, let me go give you it'll just be a trial date on September the 8th.
All right.
September the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right, Mr. Oldham?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. It's valid. Yep. His license is valid. I'm going to dismiss this SP 174-80331. The other matters, we will see you back on September the 8th.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right, you too.
Your Honor.
Yeah, that's Charles. Yeah, okay, good. City of Detroit versus Charles Edward Grace. Case number SP 169-8874, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 171-26951. SP 174-63669, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Charles Edward Grace.
Bob Zoranic for Mr. Grace, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Grace, good morning to you. Mr. Zoranic is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with them. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
He's in there, Mr. Zoranic. Pass the
All right,
map.
Mr. Graham's here for a plea, Judge. I don't know if you want to do that right now, and then I'll go in there.
Leon Graham?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
I thought that was Miss Soroki. Right,
Yeah,
let's
that
go
was
back.
Soroki. It was.
I can do it, Judge. It doesn't matter.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we have a plea worked out. He is going to plead to the improper equipment ticket, which is ticket ending in 849, count 3. He's also going to plead on the loudspeaker ticket, which is 696, count 2. That'll be a 90-day delayed sentence. And the other matters will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Where's the dates? Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand that? This maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and over $500 in fines.
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
I think you can go to Mr. Grace now, right, Ms. Soroki? You got it from here?
I'm on Mr. Graham, Your Honor. Yes,
Yeah. Mr. Zoranic, you can go with Mr. Grace now.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Judge.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
It's okay.
Mr. Graham?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March 28th, 2024 at around 5:33 PM in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Davison. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Have your music playing loud enough so I can hear you 10 feet or someone can hear you 10 feet
Yes.
away by standing away from that motor vehicle?
Yes.
All right, find you guilty as charged. $240 will be the fine. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on the improper equipment, counsel.
Your Honor, that was a delayed sentence. I'm sorry if,
Yeah, that's fine. Stipulate.
Okay. So stipulate.
And then stipulate the proper cause on dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right, I won't fine you for the improper equipment. You owe some other civil infractions. I'll fine you $240 for the music, and then I'll give you a 3-month delay. Pay it by 9/18/2025. So his birthday is the same as mine, and he's gonna pay it by my wife's birthday on 9/18. And if it's paid by then, we'll dismiss the case, all right? And if you don't get any other tickets related to that, all right?
Okay.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day, and best of luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Miss Roxanne Green, are you there? Press, unmute yourself, please. I don't think Jeter ever showed. Jeter never showed, Sergeant Lyman. Press *6 to unmute yourself, Miss Roxanne Green.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Ms. Green, are you there? Unmute yourself. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? This
I'm
is
here.
the city of Detroit. This is the city of Detroit. Good morning to you versus Roxanne Green, case number SP138762221, SP1735350, counts 1 and counts 2, SP173544141. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Roxanne Green.
Ms. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Roxanne Green.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. One of the counsels in warrant status, I'll recall the warrant. Ms. Green, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Soroki. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, what's the warrant status? I see the registration, insurance, and proper.
It's a no insurance. There's a no insurance.
So there's
Just
two
all
no
the-
insurance.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
She's in there. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Livingston-Dabs. Ms. Livingston-Dabs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance. Respectfully, we seek dismissal.
All right. I apologize for the mix-up, Ms. Livingston-Dabs. Provided. Valid. Dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right, let's go with, there's a person in the waiting room, Love. All right, Joshua Gubin, Miss Barkley, I told him he continues to defy what I told him to do. I told him to come in person. He's got to do the time. I'm not even going to hear anything else.
Your Honor, I understand.
I'm not going to hear it.
Well, hold on. Here's the thing. All of our court notices said Zoom. I asked you for an adjournment the last time we were here so that I could obtain the transcript. I have since obtained it, just recently, actually. I've had a chance to review the matter. I'm asking that the court respectfully reconsider its position with respect to the contempt sanction. I I believe it's necessary to advise the court of a few things as it relates to that date. My client was on a lengthy Zoom hearing.
Hold on. So let's do it like this. All right, first and foremost, I want him here. All right, I
And
told
Judge,
him.
we're happy.
I'm gonna call it and we can make a record and put it, and I'll let you make your record and you can put it all on the record. But this is the city of Detroit versus Joshua Goosby, case number SP 1411448, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1669673 and SP 1669671 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good afternoon. Camilla Barkovic appearing on behalf of Mr. Gubin. My P number is 78254.
All right, Mr. Gubin, state your name for the record. Good morning. Still is not.
Josh, you're muted.
Good morning, Joshua Gubin.
Okay, now I'm gonna say this. I held him in contempt for his behavior in front of the court. In front of the court. He defied that, he never came back. He waited a whole probably year or so, or put it this way, a lot of time. And the only reason I believe that he came back is because he got another ticket. I told him multiple times to come in person, multiple times. Not one time has he's defied what the court has said every single solitary time. Now, I understand what you're saying, Ms. Barkovic, about him. It's saying in person, but he's heard me multiple times, not just one time, multiple times. You have to come in person. Now, I want him in person, and he's gonna have to be here. Now I'll let you make your record.
Judge, I have no objection to appearing before the court in person. You obviously understood what I said to you off the record, and that was that all of the notices of hearing that were issued by the court and the dockets indicate that this is a remote proceeding. What I'm asking the court to do at the present time is simply reschedule this for an in-person hearing date, and Mr. Gubin and I would be happy to appear before this court physically.
All right, tomorrow, is that a good date for you, Counselor?
Judge, this week is not good for me. I apologize. If you have a docket on a Friday, that would be ideal, perhaps next Friday.
Yeah, but that's another whole, now we're pushing it all the way back another almost two weeks.
I understand, Judge, but I do need to be present with him, and I'm asking that you permit us to come on the 29th in the morning if that's available.
All right. 8/29/2025, 8:30.
Thank you. We will be there in person, Judge.
Despite what any notice that he may get in person.
I've heard it. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You're welcome. All right. I think that Love was in the breakout room a long time and he had his hand raised. Now he is gone. Levon Love. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Charles Grace. Mr. Grace, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Who's had Mr. Grace? Mr. Berry?
Well, I'm sorry, Judge, I was on mute. He wants to take advantage of the plea.
All right, what is the plea?
He will plead on ticket ending in 3693, Judge, which is an improper license ticket. That'll be reduced to a failure to display. And he will also plead on ticket ending in 369 count 1, which is a 1 to 5 speeding. The other 4 matters will be dismissed.
He's pleading as charged to the 1 to 5 speeding?
Yes. That was the offer.
I guess you say he got his break on out there on the road.
Yeah, plus 4 other matters are being dismissed, Judge.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Saranic went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes. I don't have no other
Has he-
choice.
Say that again.
Yes. I said yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 26th, 2025, around 2:48 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and Roosevelt. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you, Mr. Grace?
No. I had forgotten my wallet. It was at home, and it was only 4 blocks from where I stayed at, and I didn't
All right,
realize that.
hold on a second, Mr. Grace. The license is not valid. All right, you didn't have a valid license, did you?
Yes, I did. At the first ticket I got, the one that was on Plymouth, it was off of Plymouth.
Yeah, that's the first ticket.
Okay.
But did you have a license on the second? Did you have a license on the second ticket?
I didn't have a license on the second ticket because I didn't know that they had suspended because of my impaired vision. I have proof of when they sent it when I got home and got into my mail, and that's when I found out. I didn't know until the officer told me the second time that I got stopped. I didn't know that they had suspended because of my impaired vision.
I got you. So the license was suspended. You're not contesting that it was suspended at that time, are you?
No, I didn't think they were suspended at that time until the officer told me. He said, "Did you know
but
your license?"
you're not contesting that now. Now that you found out through the mail, are you gonna contest that it was suspended? That he was right, he was wrong?
I'm gonna have to contest my license because they were legit and they didn't expire. They don't expire until my birthday. The only thing they was expired the second time. I didn't know that they was expired when I got that second ticket off of Let me see where I was when I got there. It was Grand.
You were on Plymouth, on Grand River and Roosevelt.
Yeah, Grand River and Roosevelt. That was the
Okay,
second
so
ticket.
let me stop you, Mr. Grace. I
Okay.
understand you're saying that you didn't have your license and that and I looked up your license, it says suspended, and you're saying that you didn't know at the time that your license was suspended. But
No,
my
I
question,
didn't.
let me finish.
Okay.
My question to you is, once you went home and you found out that your license was suspended, do you still want to contest that the officer was wrong and you were right on that day at Grand River and Roosevelt? Or are you accepting the fact that it was
No,
suspended?
I'm not contesting that he wrong. I'm giving up that right.
Okay, that's
It
all I
was
wanted to know.
suspended.
That's
It
all I
was
want to know.
suspended. Okay.
That's all I want to know. I'm gonna. I wanna find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Were you speeding on that day?
I don't know. I wasn't. It didn't seem like I was speed, but he said that I was speed. I mean, it didn't seem to me the way my car was going. It didn't seem like I was speeding.
Well, you gotta, Mr. Grace, you gotta know, you gotta be following the speed limit. You gotta be looking at your speed when you're driving down the road. Because I know people tell me, I was just keeping up with the pace of traffic or something, and on Grand River, you could be keeping up with the pace of traffic and be going 60 miles an hour because they're flying down Grand River.
No, I know that, and I know this cars be going faster than me. That's why I'm saying I don't know if I was speeding or not.
Yeah, you don't know whether you're speeding or not.
Yeah, because I was, like you said, I was trying to keep up with the flow of traffic too. But
well, don't try to keep up with the flow of traffic.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Look at your speedometer and make sure that you're going what you're supposed to be doing. Let them do what they're gonna do.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on the speeding ticket. Mr. Zoranic?
Yes, Judge.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes.
All right. What do you do are you retired, Mr. Grace?
I'm retired.
Where are you retired from?
I retired from O.L. Anderson Company. That's been years ago, man. And I had two other jobs, restaurant jobs. I had for about 4 years apiece, and that was it. And like I said, I'm
military service or anything like that?
No.
I imagine you're on a fixed income now, right?
Yes, I'm on a fixed income.
All right, I'm gonna just go ahead and fine you for the speeding ticket. I'm not gonna fine you for the failure to display. It's $125 as opposed to the $240. All right.
You say 200.
No, I'm gonna fine you the 125 instead of the 240.
Okay.
When can you pay 125?
Well, can I can pay it when I get my check, the first, around the first of the month.
Pay it by September 5th. Pay it by September 5th, all right?
September 5th?
Yes.
Okay, now where do I pay it? Anything coming in the mail?
No, it probably is not gonna come in the mail. Write it down. And then you can pay it. Come on down to the courthouse and pay it. or you can go to one of those DivDat kiosks, and that's DIVDAT. They're in the Myers and there's a white kiosk, a white and blue kiosk. It's in the Myers, it's in the CVS's and places like that.
Okay.
All right, make sure it's paid by September 4th. I'm only gonna find you and I'll close the other one out, okay?
Okay.
Best of luck to you, Mr. Grace. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, you too. Thanks.
Thank you. You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a pre-trial day?
Yes, Your Honor, and she may appear in person because she's having problems with her camera.
All right. Ms. Green, you're gonna come back on September 4th, okay? September 4th.
September the 4th,
Yes, ma'am. 8:30.
8:30.
Yes, if it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, if I can't get my camera fixed by then, can I just come in on September the 4th at 8:30?
You may.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Have a good day.
You have a better one. All right. Who talked to Lyon Love?
Not I.
Me neither, Judge. I think they were in a breakout, but I don't know.
Yes, he was.
But I don't know if anybody ever, if they were.
I'm just making a note. All right.
I can go and talk to him, Judge.
He's gone. We can't find him. Yeah, all right. Well, that'll do it. I think that will conclude the morning.